Hi, in this video I will show you how you can double the value of your website or funnel by adding background videos. We start again in our sub account and go to sites. It works in funnels just as well as in websites. I will show it in this example using a website. First, we create a new website from a template. Here we can take the first category and the first template. Continue. It's briefly downloaded and then we're right in. At first, you will find that this page looks very good. I will show it in preview so you can see how it looks to the visitor. Here you can see that a good picture speaks more than 1,000 words. But there's one thing that says more than 1,000 pictures, and that's a good video. Now you can easily click on this section and you will see on the right side a bit further down that you can now switch between images and videos. We click on video. In the meantime, I have downloaded a video that we can use for this test. Now you have the small image icon. Click on it and then you have the option to use a video from your library. And the video is already stored. It doesn't move in edit mode, of course. So we click on preview again. And here we see the result. We created this new look in about 8 seconds and I think it looks pretty good. I took a sample video in no time, but if you take some time, you can achieve incredibly good results. Now let's briefly go into the various setting options. Here we can align the video as we want. If you want to keep a background, you can select the respective color here. But if you want there to be no other background and the video covers the entire image, you can do this here in the video options. It's currently set to fit. Then you can set it to fill and it pulls the picture to every corner. The third option is cover. With cover, the image remains in its original state but is enlarged so that everything else is covered. It's preset for the video to play in a loop. Depending on the length of your video, you can also turn off this option. And what might be important, you have a fade option for the video. This can be used, for example, if you want the text to be read better. You can also provide the individual columns with the background video. To do this, you have to remove the image and can also store a video here. We take the same video. There is now too much free space at the top and the bottom. Either we adjust it with the given options, or we also set this video to cover. Now let's take a look at the result again. I'm very convinced of it. If we scroll down a bit, we see that this small video is also being played. As always, you can experiment a lot here. However, what I like to mention is videos are often very large. There are countless programs with which you can reduce their size without compromising quality. I would definitely recommend this to you. Moreover, I wouldn't replace all images with videos, as this can make the website very slow. This is not only bad for your visitors, but search engines like Google will rank websites with slower pages lower than faster ones. Thank you very much for watching.